And what we know is that we are working in the lowest trust context in the history of recording levels of trust. Some of you may be familiar with the work of Edelman, who do a trust barometer every year. And they have been documenting consistently sliding levels of trust, trust in institutions, trust in leaders, needless to say, trust in political leaders are all at an all-time low. And why this becomes our business is that without trust, there can be no communication or collaboration. And so trust, in my mind, is sort of the invisible foundation upon which everything else rests. And as such, if we are in a field of communication, then trust becomes our business. That is the problem to solve. And the remedy is transparency. Again, I don't bandy this word transparency around lightly because I appreciate that it has to be used in a strategic way that is realistic. But I do think we're at an inflection point that the traditional approach to assuming a trust foundation is no longer working for us. And so the good news is that this polycrisis, low trust environment is actually precisely the burning platform we need to take trust a whole lot more seriously through a more deliberate, intentional, and I might say courageous use of transparency.